P2 Energy Solutions is a software company focused exclusively on upstream oil and gas. Many of our solutions are standalone and really weren't built to integrate with each other.
Could you give us a little background as to what P2's objective was getting in business with ProcessMaker?
I think, just like any other company, P2 is always looking for how can we provide more value to our customers and provide more capability to our clients, as well as obviously new revenue streams and being able to compete against new technologies or new competitors that have entered the market on newer technologies. And so, continue to sell more and keep our clients happy and provide more value to our clients. That's our objective.